Hey, this is Wayne Foreman with CDF Distributors. Now I'm going to show you how to install this wood door into this hollow metal frame. All right, so we're ready to install the door into the frame. We're going to start off with the center hinge first. It's very important to make sure that the hinges are all folded in, because if you have them where they're folded out and you install the hinge first, you won't be able to install any of the other ones. Just a little trick for the trade. You ready, Jonathan? As he picks it up, I'm going to screw the hinge in. Yep, get it down there a little lower. Right there. All right, so now that we've got the door installed, we put all of our hinge screws in. We're going to close the door. Okay, we got it in here closed. Check the alignment in the door. You can see we got a gap down at the bottom. It's tighter up here, and you got a bigger gap here, and then it gets tighter up there. It's not a bad thing. I mean, so that happens at times. Even though you get a square opening, we're going to tell you how to troubleshoot that and how to fix that going forward. When we closed the door, we saw that the gaps were a little bit uneven. We're going to go ahead and fix that right now. So kind of a little troubleshooting trick that I learned a long time ago. We're going to work on the top hinge up here. So I'm going to take these hinge screws off, and then I'm going to work on the frame on the back side, and then we'll come up and have a perfectly aligned door. We took the hinge leaf off the frame, so now that we have that off, you got bulbs on this on the frame, on the hinge pocket. We're going to leave these two closest to the stop, and we're going to grind these three down. And what these two will act like is a shim. It's in essence, it's going to push the frame, the hinge back that way, and it's going to pull the door to where it gives it more of a gap on the strike side. Okay, now we're going to close the door. And there you have it. So if you can look at it now, we have a gap here, and it's the same gap all the way up to the top. So that helped open up that gap up here when the door is getting closer to here. And then across the top, we have a good solid gap up there as well. So now that we got the door set, the gap's in a good place, it's time to go on to the next door. Thank you. Have a great day.